Pumpkin. It grows from the ground and they can get pretty big. You don't know these ones. They're kind of weird. Whoopsies. I know the name of it, but I just can't remember it. I definitely know what this is. I think it's cabbage. Made out of paper. It's lettuce. It grows in the ground. And chilies. Chilies. Togarashi. I think they are the hottest thing on earth. When you touch the chilies, always in your eyes. Tomatoes! I almost vomited once I ate one. They're my favorite vegetable. And did you know the human body is actually made out of 99.9 nothingness? My brother told me that. Caught! It's caught! So the outside's green, the inside's yellow. Open. Open. I've never seen corn like this before. Good. It's a type of herb, I know it. Mint. Potatoes. They taste like fish and chips. Beetroot. I think. I've never tasted it, but I know it's going to be yuck. This is really tricky. It smells delicious. Oh, but they make you strong.